can give it and exchange it. That's what my idea, but it's 10 years past. I didn't do it.
My God. Interesting.
I know, I'm happy also.
Yeah, so what is it that you think it is worth for you to have
It's
brought
really worth
there?
it because I'm allergic to spider. Very badly allergic to spiders. That's why we bought it. And now 10 years it was there. I was asking my servant to do it. They don't do it.
The spider, so they did the wrong thing. This was not worth it.
Just eat this. Come here only. Come here. Milk consumption. அது போட்டாக்க இது இதுவும் போயிடுமா நான் தமிழ் அதான் இந்த பேப்பர் clogged with the pores. Okay, so because the air has to circulate through this, so it must have got. No, the suction will be very poor, so it will not vacuum.
Paper bag which goes inside this.
Yeah, so
I
what
think,
he's saying that paper bag they give extra bags.
Yes.
So you can throw that bag and use the other bag.
Yes, and what he's saying is it might have been operated without the paper
Without
bag.
that, so all the dust has gone.
So gone and stuck in this.
In the stuck, yeah.
Paper, one more rubber.
Yeah, it needs to sit properly. It's kind of like a gasket which fits it tightly.
So even by changing the bed, I don't know.
Can you just show it while you're doing it?
Yeah.
Just try opening it. Take this. There is a screw under. Just take this. Use this screw.
Something on a regular basis people register. Yeah, on a regular basis people register.
இது இப்படிதானே இது இப்படிங்களா அது மேலே ஒரு ரப்பர் இருக்கும் இன்னொரு ரப்பர்
Maybe underneath this screw this thing there is just see me.
Oh, this will go under this board. So you put it correct.
That screws are not coming properly.
Correct.
Can't make out.
That's it. Now we will test it. Is there, na? Good. Oh, it's there. That tube is there. clog aachinakka, then suction will reduce.
Okay.
Okay, that should be cleaned regularly.
And that paper should be
Paper
replaced.
should always be there. Sometime you might have operated without the paper.
No, he didn't operate. Maybe that what you say.
Somebody must have operated
Yeah.
because the dust got collected in that outer cover.
Oh.
If the paper cover would have been there, all the dust will go only inside the paper, which you can throw
throw
it
it.
and replace it.
Okay.
Okay, which you will have spares.
Yeah.
Okay, whereas sometimes without the paper, if you have operated or if the paper is torn,
Okay.
then
that
the
also.
dust will go and get collected in the outer cover.
Okay.
Outer cover, then if the pores they get clogged, then the suction will
Okay.
reduce. That is there.
Okay.
Now you can try it out. Okay.
Yeah. It's
Is it
there.
okay?
It's there. Correct. It was completely nothing.
So now it is there.
Yeah.